AMC had a reverse split back in last year in August, 1 to 10. If we go back in time, we'd never have a reverse split before. And moment that we have a reverse split, this has changed everything. Why? Because after the huge squeeze that we had in beginning of 2021, that we went from the $4 until the 400, you see what's happened here. We have a huge squeeze twice. Here, and then we have pullback, and then there. So we have a huge squeeze, two squeeze for AMC. After that, see this. We have this flag. The short seller adding every time because they know the news about the reverse split. They know before even hitting the market, the news hitting the market, they know. That's why they adding on the squeeze here, there, and there, and there so many times. And then the price gave up after the news hitting the market, and everything went south from there. There, around this breakout zone. And you see what's happened here? Huge flush down, then again, huge flush down. So we have a reverse squeeze. Before we have two jump up, and here we have two jump down. Okay? Here, huge flush down. Then we have a bit of buying pressure for almost 2 months we holding. Then again, flashing down for AMC. So what we should do here, where we gonna go? Because this is the first time, as we said, the first time that we have a reverse split, and everybody afraid that we're gonna have another reverse split for AMC, and this is will sound, or this is make AMC to get diluted. Because now getting to a new low around the $4.47, and the price getting near the $1. So we might have the $1 for this year, but if we want to change that, we have to reverse before the $1, or at least even testing the $1, but holding the $1. Why is that? Because the reverse split will happen if AMC go below the $1 and stay there for over 3 months. Because this is one of the rules to stay in the NASDAQ. You have to keep your price, any stock, to keep their price up over the $1 in order to stay in the NASDAQ. And the stock do reverse split to prevent that from happening, to prevent that they get delisted, they do reverse split. So if we want, or we don't want like a dilution to happen again, and a squeeze to happen sooner, is holding even over the $1, and then we're gonna have the reversal. But in the time being for AMC, we have to have something. We have to have something to change from this chain reaction of selling pressure. As we said before, we have a selling pressure started around here after the reverse split news, 35, and then we have two flush. In order to have a reversal for AMC, we have to break some level, guys. We have to break some level. The first level that we have to break for AMC to have a bit of action is here around the 646. Yeah, 649. So this is the most important level to break for AMC to confirm that we have a buyer. We have interest from the buyer for AMC. And here we need to have at least 40% jump to confirm that AMC is alive once again. Because last time we have this reaction, we have it here back in September last year, we have a jump of 50 or 40%. You see what's happened here? We have someone bought. But before that, we have to have accumulation for AMC like that. Almost 1 month or 2 months here. We already discussed it before. Yes, almost 1 month. Now we have to have accumulation of 1 month or 2 months in order to have a reversal and test the $6.49, then go toward the $8 and the $10. So this is the first signal to watch out for. Not even the fundamental, but just from the technical, to confirm that we have something going on, but not confirmed. This is behind the scene. As we said, the news hit the market pretty late. So how we know that we are not too late to buy AMC is to have a bit of support holding up, then of course testing the $6.49. On the other hand, GameStop is going down because the market's going down last week, but the good thing is we're still holding the 1352. So So we have a bit of selling pressure here, broke this ascending channel. So this is the first signal for weakness for GameStop because we broke this ascending channel. However, we still have a new high. Here, big buyer, and there, big buy over the 1352. So as long as we hold the 1352 is mean the big buyer is still there, and we're gonna have our reversal after we accumulate here for some days. Then breaking this orange line, guys, or orange box, this will be the best signal for GameStop that we started to squeeze. So GameStop is still looking good because even the volume, not that good, guys, to be honest with you. For GameStop, just 2 million. We need at least 10 or 20 to have a confirmation for a reversal, or at least interest from the buyers for GameStop to reverse. So now we have consolidating down, low volatility until the 1350, but at the 1350, we have to have a sideways trading. After that, breaking the 20 and 1840, guys. This is the most important level to break. In order to break this persistent level of resistance that been holding since last year in summer, after we break this ascending channel, which will happen right exactly around our resistance, and this is will give us the squeeze, guys. This is will give us the huge squeeze that we're waiting for with GameStop until almost the $50 or $47, and we have the jump of 150%. So if we want to have this kind of percentage jump, we have to be patient, guys, because it doesn't happen when we want to. It happens when the stock is ready to jump. So that's why I always suggest and urge my traders to be vigilant, because once you close your eyes or you take your eyes from the trade, you miss the trade and stock jump. So that's why I have alert around the 20 and alert around the 13, just in case if we drop down or we jumped up. Drop down, there is a chance for a huge selling pressure, so I don't have to hold, or you could short, whatever your strategy tell you. And of course, if we jumped, we can actually buy or even average down on GameStop, because I don't suggest to average down now because we don't have a confirmation for a big buyer. We're gonna do update for GameStop and AMC by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube. And before that, 2 hours, we're gonna do our live streaming on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.